Okay, good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I don't know. So, what do I have today? What am I supposed to teach today? So, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how you're going to remove your background, your picture background. Pick up the object in any picture and remove the background for those who like designing in CorelDRAW, in Photoshop, in any other graphics design software. So I'm going to actually show you a quick tutorial on how you're going to remove your background and use just the picture. So I have two pictures here for you. So and also Microsoft Word 2010 will also help you to save it in any format you want to save it. If you want to save it in PNG, you can be able to save it. If you want to save it in any other format, you can also be able to save it. But when it comes to saving, we have to find out the particular file format that we can be able to save it. But I'm going to show you how to remove your picture background. Just pick up the object that you want in any picture, then you can remove the every other part. So Microsoft 2010 can be able to do that perfectly well. I've not actually tried 2007 and other ones, but I think this is an additional features added in 2010, so I'm using 2010. So if you don't have 2010 and you want to remove your background, so you better just go and get 2010 or upwards. Okay, so we'll start. So this is a picture. This is a kind of a fashion picture that I want. Okay, let's assume I want to remove the act and it and just leave only the clothes, the material, so that I can be able to fix someone else inside. And I have other background like a shadow in it that I want to remove. I just want it to be plain transparent. I don't want all this, both the hand in it, the cloth or the statues in it. I want just to remove all of them and just leave only the cloth. And this place is going to be transparent anyway. So it's when I put it in CorelDRAW or when I put it in any other graphics or design software, I can be able to make use of actually the object. Okay, so we'll start. So we can double click on it. If you double click on it, if it does not, the tab does not show, just click on your format. If you click on format, you see remove background from your tab. So click on it, click on remove background. Yeah, something like this is definitely going to come out. So from the dot arrow here, you drag down to cover the entire picture, so that Microsoft Word 2010 is actually going to dictate the part that you want to remove for you. So I have something like this. The part that is not shaded is the part that is actually going to stay. So if you look at the color of my cloth, I don't actually want the color to go out, but it's trying to remove the color for me. So what do I have to do? I have to go and say mark areas to keep. You click on mark areas to clip, you point in your color. Yeah, I think something like this is okay. So you have mark areas to keep, you have mark areas to remove. So if you actually want to remove any other part, you just click on mark areas to remove and click on the part that you want to remove, and you definitely have to remove it for you. So I use mark areas to keep, and I selected the color, and the computer detects this particular color that is being selected and remove the selecting part of it. Okay, so once you finish, this is the part I want to keep. So you click on what? Keep changes. If you click on keep changes, you find out that I don't have any other background in this particular object. So that is how to remove it. Even the status in it, the hand of the statue, the color, the everything is actually leaving me only with the object that I want to leave there. So we'll go to the next picture. So this picture, I actually want to carry only the human. Leave the background. I don't want all these shaded backgrounds, all this stuff, because I just want to carry it and position it maybe in someone's house or any other place that I want to position this particular human picture without the background. So how do I start? Click on the picture, go to remove background and select it. Now the picture will be marked. Also, you drag down and drag up again. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, you can try and position it very well. Let's see. Okay, inside I'm still seeing white inside, which I don't want all this inside white. So since I want to remove this particular white background inside it, so I have to click on mark areas to remove. Click on mark areas to remove, select this place. This place goes out, select inside here. The computer automatically detects the particular fixed color that is there, and I should remove it for you. Okay, I think I still have another one inside here. They gotta go. I think so. It's marking up. So I have my the seat. I actually should I leave the seat or should I just okay, let's try and find out if we can be able to keep the seat. Click on mark areas to keep, select on mark areas to keep and selecting. So let's see, okay. Yeah, the computer is actually detecting it. It's actually detecting. Sometimes this feature in Microsoft Word 2010 saved me a lot of work. A lot of work, I'm telling you. It's a real lot of work. A lot. I think I have some small white inside here, so mark area to remove. So like this place. Yep. Okay, so I have something like this, so I think it's very good. So I click on what? Keep changes. Remove the background for me, so leaving just me and a chair. Alright, so I have this. So the next step is how do I save this so that it will be on PNG so that I don't have the background in it. Because you can just be able to just right click on this particular object and click copy and paste it where you want to paste it. It's not gonna work. So Microsoft Word 2010 is going to save it in a format that you can be able to copy it and paste it in any other places you want to place it. So how do I start? Right click on it and click where they say save as picture. Once you click save as picture, select the particular drive you want to save it at. Okay, let's just keep it at the desktop. Type the name 1. Click what? Okay, sorry, save as type. So come here. I like portable network graphics, that is your PNG, so that the background will not be there. So if you select your JPEG, the background is going to turn to white. So select your PNG and click on what? Save. So you go down again, right click on the second one, click on save as picture, type the name, this is 2, select your PNG and click. So make sure you're saving it at the desktop. Anyway, this is where I want to save mine because I really want to save. Yes, then you click what? Save. So you have these 2 pictures saved in the desktop. So minimize this, go to my desktop. This is the last 2 pictures I saved on my desktop. So right click, then try to open it, maybe double click on it or just right click, but I like opening with this. So if I don't have any background in it, just only the picture, so I could just copy this image and paste it in CorelDRAW in the graphics, or I could just import it and without having any background in it. And the one you want to change it, you can equally change the background automatically for you. So that is it. So thank you. So the next step I'm going to show you how to use your Microsoft Office Picture Manager. If you open it, you have so many other features, but thank you for this. This is just all for now. So the next video tutorial, the short video tutorial I want to do is Microsoft Picture Manager. So I'm just going to show you a couple more things about Microsoft Office's new packages from 2010 upwards. Thank you for watching.